All right, folks. Okay, I got another one here, Crazy Contractor Award. Okay, so anyway, I just got to share this one with you. It's just too bizarre. All right, so I come down here to this lower level bathroom, okay, and I'm going through here, and it's not working, and it looks like it's been getting worked on, but I'm not quite for sure what's happening with it. It's a disaster, yeah. But I come over here and I see these shower doors. I'm thinking, okay, shower doors. What's these going on for? So I come over here to check in the shower here. And this is what I see. No kidding, it's the main water line coming in. What the heck? What do you need shower doors for? You can't make it up. You can't make it up. Stupid Contractor Award. Another winner. Oh my stars. Sometimes, folks, this is what makes my job fun. And yet, really sad is the absolute remodeling flipper. This is a home flipping company, and look at the crap they're trying to push off of the people. Shame on them. This is why people call us. We make sure the job's being paid for, or that you're paying for is being done right. It's not. Making sure that the job is correct, being built right. Not. It just is just horrible. Anyway, thanks for watching our videos, folks. And if you see anything like this, hey, let us know and participate in our Stupid Contractor Awards. Whoa, you're going to have to go up some to get on this one, beat this one. Thanks, folks. Hey, hit like and subscribe. We'd appreciate all the support. And share with your friends. They'd love to see this nutty crap, too. Thanks, folks. Have a great day.